else but Wonder Woman can put a spin on thrills that will leave you breathless. Coming to Six Flags Great Adventure, DC's Wonder Woman, Lasso of Truth, the world's tallest pendulum ride, spinning riders through the clouds at speeds up to 75 miles an hour and plummeting 17 stories again and again. Get ready for Wonder Woman, Lasso of Truth. Rising from the ashes of the apocalypse, Six Flags America introduces Firebird. Smoother, faster, with new floorless trains. Soar through half a mile of twisting track. Dive 9 stories and spiral through 2 inversions. Six Flags New England launches the new DC Cyborg, a totally unique, multi-dimensional thrill ride that will spin you into the future. Six Flags Over Texas debuts Lone Star Revolution, the world's tallest loop coaster, towering at a staggering 100 feet. Go forward, go backward, go face to face through 6 inversions and record hang time. At Darien Lake, guests will be taking flight on the new Six Flags Sky Screamer, a 24-story sky-high adventure that soars through the clouds and a view that goes on forever. Coming to Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, now open year-round, DC's The Joker, the world's tallest pendulum ride at 17 stories with speeds of 75 miles an hour. Six Flags Mexico presents 2 new kids areas, DC Super Friends and Bugs Bunny Boomtown, with 13 rides, thrills for the entire family. Hurricane Harbor in Wastopek unleashes the new King Cobra. Riders will plummet and splash through twists and turns, coming face to face with a massive King Cobra. The Great Escape will be bigger, better, wetter than ever with a new Bucket Blaster, a splash and spray sensation that's as much a thrill as it is a chill. At Frontier City, the wildest kiddie rides in the West are coming to the new Timber Town with 3 new attractions. Six Flags Over Georgia will be going wild on the new Pandemonium. Soar through the skies at 70 miles an hour and plummet 15 stories again and again. At Ronde, it's Chaos, a 7-story loop coaster, 360 degrees of high-speed inversions and record hang time. Guests at Six Flags St. Louis will be taking flight on DC's Supergirl Sky Flyer. Soar through high-speed spins nearly 7 stories in the air.